Good morning. This is Pamela Moraver here. I am coming to you live. Today is March 22nd, 8:23 a.m. And today I'm going to be starting my new lifestyle, and I will be taking OxyBurn from HealthyNuLiving, the company I just signed up with. They sell health and wellness products, and this is one of the products. OxyBurn helps you to lose weight. It's an energy booster, and increases muscle strength and has appetite control. So I just weighed myself, and I'm 212 pounds, 212.8 pounds. My goal is to lose 20 pounds. Hopefully, in the next 2 months. This OxyBurn cost me $16 with my 20% discount as a member of HealthyNuLiving. And it's you take one a day, and it's a 2-month supply, so there's 60 pills in here. And I know comparable items of this nature cost about $120, probably about $120 for a 2-month supply. So for $16, $17 plus the shipping, which was like $4 or $5, you can't beat this deal. And it is FDA approved. All their products are FDA approved, and they have products for all types of things. For health and wellness for men and women. They have eye care, hair care, colon care, weight loss, skin products, anti-aging products, and they just have so many products from head to toe for men and women. And they also have a healthy pet product. So that's interesting. So I'm taking the plastic cover off now. I watched this yesterday. I did a Facebook Live yesterday. Apparently, I did it wrong because it did not end up in my timeline. It ended up in my videos. So, if you want to see that, you can go into my videos and watch that unboxing. All right, so we have a cap cover. So that's good. Safety sealed for our protection. Just take this off. All right. Okay. It's a little capsule, not too big. Black and red capsule. You see that? Not too big there. Easy to swallow. Here goes. Down the hatch. So, I will come back later today and tell you how my energy is doing and how my appetite is doing. Hopefully, it will be suppressed. Yay! And we can get a few pounds off. That would be awesome. If anybody wants to join along in the journey with me, that would be great too. You could leave me a little note down in the comments and let me know that you're going to take the journey with me. That'd be awesome. I'm also going to leave a link to HealthyNuLiving down in the description for anybody that would like to get OxyBurn or any other health and wellness products at a 20% discount when you join for free. And if you want to earn commissions and residual income with a matching bonus, you can sign up, upgrade for $30. It's a one-time fee. Excuse me, the one-time fee, as long as you earn commissions and you have $30 in your account, that will cover every month's fee, business builder fee, requirement, business builder requirement. That's what they call it, a Healthy New Living business builder requirement. It's $30 a month, but as long as you're earning commissions and matching bonuses, you never have to come out of pocket again. So you pay the one-time fee up front, and that's it. And also, once you upgrade, you get up to a 40% discount on these ridiculously low prices. Like I said, this OxyBurn right here cost me $16 plus shipping with my 20% discount. And for a 2-month supply, you're going to pay at least $120 anywhere else. From my knowledge, I've looked around, and that's about the current rate for this product. So if you would like to get that, just get the link out of my description and order you some. Get 20% discount. Oh, and if you upgrade, you also get 20% commissions on anybody that you refer, whatever they buy. Plus, you get a matching bonus after you get after 2 people upgrade that you refer. You get a 50% matching bonus, and then after you get the 4th person to upgrade that you refer, you get a 100% matching bonus plus the 20% commission. And you also, from my understanding, get the $30 match on anybody you personally refer every month when the company takes the $30 out of your account from your commissions and bonuses. For everybody you refer, you get a match on that as well. And this goes 10 levels deep. It's a 2x10 matrix. There's a lot of training and information on that in Healthy New Living and Team New Living, which is our social network that was created by one of our top leaders, top team leaders. So if you're interested, you can get all the information there, or you can contact me directly. I will leave my email also in the description if anybody wants to contact me. Hopefully I can get this up on Facebook, and you can contact me through Facebook. If you want to just get me directly on Facebook, it's facebook.com/onmygrind in Virginia. And I'll leave that down in the description as well. Well, if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell icon so you'll make sure to get notified every time I put out a video. And yeah, that's all I got for right now. I'll see y'all later today. Thank you. Bye.